Hello, we are back with Christmas Holiday Tops Box number 2, 2016. 10 packs, 1 guaranteed relic autograph or autograph relic. As stated in my last video, I like these boxes just because they're Christmassy. Although, technically, we're on our way to summer here in the South. It's April at the moment, and it's still unseasonably cold here. It's really bizarre. Usually by now people are getting into their swimming pools here in the deep South. But for today, our minds are on the winter months and snowflakes. In the last box, we learned that there are Korea Future Stars. These cards, which are, I learned that the correct name is Metallic Snowflake Parallel. I wouldn't mind. I wonder if they sell the set of the I'll have to find out. I wouldn't mind owning the set. Salazar, Justin Bohr, Future Stars, a Mike Trout. It's nice. Hayward, Croy, Cano. These cards are all over the place. Hate that. Future Stars, Baez. Machado, Prado, Cruz, and Agon. Tanner Roark, Metallic Snowflake Parallel. Pfister, Archer, Italian, Severino, and Marza rookie cards. Nice. Ian Desmond, Murphy, Snell, rookie, Gardner, John Jay, Kim, rookie, Neil Walker, Kipnis, and Mr. on his way up the rankings, Adrian Beltre. Park, rookie. Verlander. Corey Seager, rookie. Nice. Did not get one of those in the first box, so that's good. Another Metallic Snowflake. Piscotti, rookie. Did not get one of those in the first box. Again, good. Teixeira. Syndergaard, David Wright, couple of Mets, Strasburg, A-Rod, DeGrom, this is a Mets pack, Posey, Calhoun, Trevor Story rookie. Let me repeat myself, did not get one of these in the first pack, so this has been a much better box with regards to rookie cards. Keuchel, Yelich, John Lester, and a Prince Fielder Metallic Snowflake. Reddick, Cole, Castro, Ortiz, and George Springer. The photography for 2016 Tops is really good. I mean, they do a good job basically every year, but this is particularly nice. Down to 3 packs. I can't tell which one has the hit. Maybe it's an autograph. Maybe that's why it's not extra thick. Although these game use cards are not as thick as you see a lot of the game use nowadays. An autograph would be nice. Not this pack. Nice. A Schwarber rookie card. So the rookie run continues in this box. Another nice rookie. Yay. Here it is. A Aaron Nola rookie jersey. Wow. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yes. I am a-okay with that. If I can get it in the sleeve, that would be even better. Nice little pinstripe there. My little holiday snowflakes. Rookie card. Nice player. Score. Fielder, Bogarts, and Voit. Last pack. Hanley Ramirez and a Hanley metallic snowflake. I don't know if you can tell. There we go. So that's nice. Mallex Smith, rookie. Chris Sale, Maben, Shelby Miller, and Kyle Seager. This has been a really nice little holiday box. Really nice. I'm very happy about this. Obviously, an autograph would have been better, but if you're going to get a game used, it's good to get a good player, and secondly, it's good to get a nice little pinstripe. There are rookies aplenty in this box. Several nice parallels. I definitely called this a win. Blowout Cards has this box at a very low price. If you're interested in opening one of your own, I suggest you go there and snag a bargain. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be back soon.